Scholars, welcome back to Foundational Skills with Miss Ramirez. That's me. All right, so today what you'll need is your whiteboard and marker and your hands because we're going to be doing some clapping. So make sure you have those materials ready and let's get started. All right, today what we're going to do is that we're going to look for vowel sounds in a word to figure out how many syllables are in a word. Now, vowel, we know what a vowel is. We've talked about what vowels are. Can you look for the vowels in this alphabet? Correct. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. But today, we're only going to focus on A, E, I, and U. But we're going to focus on the vowel sounds. So now let's practice our vowel sounds. A says A or A. E says E or E. I says I or I. O says O or A. And U says U or Go ahead and practice those. Pause the video if you want and practice those vowel sounds again. All right. Now, vowel sounds, we just practiced vowel sounds. And now we're going to figure out how many syllables are in a word. But what are syllables? A syllable are parts of a word that have one vowel sound. How many vowel sounds? One vowel sound. So, we're going to talk about those vowel sounds, so that's why it's so important to practice those vowel sounds, but we're also going to be thinking about them as beats, so that's why you needed your hands, because we're going to be talking about beats in a vowel sound. Okay, so let's practice. First, we have this word sunset. So I want you to look at this alphabet over here and think about the vowels that you see in the word sunset. What vowels do you see? Good. So Miss Ramirez sees the vowel U, and I also see the vowel E in sunset. So I have two vowels. Good so far. Now, what Miss Ramirez also notices is that there's an S and an N right next to the U. So the U looks a little trapped. And then if I look at my other vowel, I also see that it's a little trapped in there. So that is going to tell me that I found my vowel sound. Sun, so I know the U is going to make the sound, and that's one sound, and at. The E is going to make the sound, set, so that's two vowel sounds. So we found two syllables. But let's check our word. Let's use our hands, and we're going to find the beats in the word. So repeat after me. Sunset. You ready? We're going to use our words, our hands. Ready? Go. Sunset. How many times did you clap? 2 times? I said sun and then set. Sunset. So I had 2 beats. So that means we have 2 syllables. All right, let's practice with another one. I think you're getting the hang of it, so let's practice with another one. I see the word picnic. So I want you to look at and find the vowels that you see in this word. Picnic. Well, Miss Ramirez sees an I, and I see another I. So I have 2 I's, 2 vowels. Now, do you see this I is a little trapped? Where would you split this word? Good. I will split it right here because the I, this first I is trapped between the P and the C. So I know it's going to say it. It's going to say its short sound. Pick. And then this I is also trapped between the N and the C. So it's going to say nick. It's going to have the short I sound. So if we use our hands, ready, picnic, ready, go. Picnic. How many times did you clap? 2 times. So we found picnic. 2 syllables in this word. And it also makes it easier for you to write this word. So if you ever have to write picnic, you think pick, ick, you write that, nick, n-ick, nick, picnic. So thinking about the syllables can also help you write these words. Okay, but you need to be careful. You're getting the hang of it, but there are some words that are going to try and trick you. For example, we have this word inspect. Look for the vowels. First thing we have to do is look for the vowels. So the first vowel I see is an I, and the other vowel I see is an E. So I know there's 2 vowels, but wait a second. Pause. This first I doesn't have a consonant, another letter in front of it. So is that going to count? Yes. So the way to do it is if you ever have trouble with a word like this, use your hands and think about the beats that you hear. So the word is inspect. So let's sound it out. Ready? Inspect. How many times did you clap? 2 times. So I'm going to break it apart right here. I heard in, and then I heard spect. Inspect. So we know that we're going to have 2 syllables because this first I is it, in, has a short I sound, and then the E has the short E sound, spect. So the 2 vowel sounds make it have 2 syllables. All right, last word we're going to practice. Are you ready? This word is upset. Look for the vowels in this word. What vowels do you see? I see the U and an E. But don't get tricked. Where are we going to split this word? Let's clap it out. Ready? Upset, ready, go. Upset. Where would you split it from where you heard? Upset. How would you split up this word? Good. Upset. So here we know that we have the first sound, up, and then the second sound, set. Upset. So we have 2 syllables. Good job practicing, everyone. Now, what I want you to do is using your whiteboard, practice writing those words that we have up in the top of our website for you to practice, and think about how many syllables or beats are in that word. And I want you to practice this every single day so you can be prepared for our quiz when we take our quiz on syllables. Good job, everyone.